Oh, yay. Before we get into this video, no, this video is not sponsored, and this is really not the intro to the, well, I guess it technically is the intro. I'm not filming a video today, but I guess I am filming a video today. Uh-oh. I think a little bit of hungover Dan is coming out. I got a message from one of you guys on Instagram. I was in Montreal probably 3 summers ago, and I went to this launch party of this store. I don't even know which part of Montreal it was in, but it was not a busy part. Went in there, and the photographer was this girl, and she's like, oh my god, I love you, I watch your videos. And her sister was there as well. She reached out to me and said, hey Dan, our family sells blankets. Would you like to try one out? I don't know if this is like a family-run business by any means. However, she wanted me to test it out. So to give back to her, I'll just do a quick unboxing. So the company's called Nirvana. It's weighted blankets. It always means so much when you guys come up to me in public and say you love my videos or you support my videos. And this is just to give something back to her. Oh my goodness. Definitely the nicest packaging I've received for a weighted blanket. And I've received some weighted blankets of my own. Ooh. It says Nirvana right there. This is really soft. Yeah, this is, I'm good. Look, like I said earlier, this is not a sponsored post. Very, very high quality blanket. Thank you so much to Beatrice Elizabeth for sending me this blanket. Whoa, hold on a sec, you can microwave this blanket? Each blanket comes with 11 removable, microwavable, and freezable magic bands for extra what the flippin' titties, where? Anyways guys, this isn't really a review on the blanket, it's more I just wanted to give a shout out. Thank you guys so much for sending me this Nirvana blanket, love it. Let's get into today's video. I'm not actually filming the video today, so let's just go to Dan, who is filming a video. What you got for us, Dan? No, man, you said you had a video for us. Oh my god. You're 2 days in the future from here. You should have something prepared. No, this is exactly what, okay, you know, I'm not fighting in front of them. Hi, guys. No, it's not you guys. It's just your father's being a jackass. And scene. My childhood, everybody. No, I'm just kidding.
Bye, Felicia.
Okay, and now we're filming the video. Today's video, back in the kitchen, as you can tell. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I think this kitchen is used probably 85% for videos and like 15% for legit cooking. And by legit cooking, I mean like making chicken making chicken burgers in the oven. Guys, today's video, we are making stained glass in the oven. Well, it's not like stained glass, it's more like stained plastic. Never done this before. Today's a really weird day, by the way. It sort of looks like it wants to rain, but it sort of looks sunny. Kind of like me and my emotions. I look sunny, but I really want to cry. That's the truth. Anyway, we're taking plastic cups and we're gonna turn it into stained glass, but stained plastic. Guys, for my loaded dice video, which is the one before this, a lot of you guys are like,
Dan, is your oven in Fahrenheit or is it Celsius?
I don't know. What is the standard oven in? In typical Dan fashion, we're gonna do my best. No, honestly, that's my mantra nowadays, is I'm doing my best. That's why when I do a video and it doesn't work out, it's okay, because I'm doing my best. Okay? Sorry, I became this little motivational speaker there for a second. Here's what you need to make stained glass in your oven. You're gonna need some plastic cups. Clear. It has to be clear plastic cups. You're gonna need some tin foil. You're gonna need a baking sheet. You're gonna need some permanent markers. Try to get them colored. Most permanent markers you'll find come in black, gold, silver. We don't want those, we want the colored ones. And then I'm really reaching here because I wanted more colorful ones. Permanent on most surfaces. What is that, guys? That's like saying it works 100% of the time, 90% of the time. I wanted more variety of colors, and this was all they had. You're also gonna need an oven and some, what's it called, Pam? Pam. But I don't have Pam. We're using 100% extra virgin olive oil. Basically me in a can.
What are tits?
Let's go ahead and start this. I'm actually really looking forward to this because it seems like it could be a lot of fun. Step 1, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. 350 degrees. Oh, 350. Well, your oven is preheating. This is where the art and like the crafting comes into play. Let's move the camera around. Zoom out. Hey, look who made an appearance. The corn. We're actually gonna take our cookie tray. Oh my God, I did it again. The baking sheet. You're gonna lay a layer of tin foil down. Next, if you have Pam, use Pam, because that's what the instructions said. I don't, and I'm assuming this is pretty much the same thing. So let's just go ahead and spray a layer of that. Then we're gonna set that aside. Then we're gonna start coloring. First, I'm gonna try strictly permanent, fully permanent markers. Pretty much just paint the cup in whatever way you want. Not only on the top here, but along the bottom as well. You know what I've been working on lately? And I don't know, maybe this is like the new thing. You know how they have motivational speakers? Kind of like what I was doing before. Get this. A demotivational speaker. For those that have like really big egos that need to be knocked down a peg, you come to one of my sessions, it would go something like this. Hey everybody, welcome to one of my sessions. Absolutely great to have you here. No, it's not. Hey, listen up guys. We're all on this floating rock in space. No purpose. I may be stupid. Hell, I may be ugly. And that's the truth. So pretty much it would look something like that. So what I've done is I've painted the top red and now I'm doing the sides here green. We got red, green, blue, and then maybe we'll cap it off with some red at the bottom here. I'm gonna do a couple other cups. I'm gonna try these guys out as well just to see if they work. So we got our 3 cups. This is very like experimental right now, guys. We have the permanent markers on this one. We have the semi-permanent on this one. And we have a mixture of both. Now the next phase, you have to operate pretty quickly, so I'm gonna take you through it right now before we actually do it. We're gonna pop this in the oven for 4 minutes. The second it comes out, we're gonna have to push down and flatten this. The oven is ready, let's go. Open that up. Good luck, guys. Timer on for 4 minutes. Oh my God, oh my God. They have been in there for less than 1 minute. And look at them. I don't know if you can see this. Yo, what? They're already getting squished down. That's less than 1 minute. Pull them out, put them down, and let's squish her, man. Yeah, okay. What the hell? They're not squishing. Weird, they turned white. The semi-permanent ink actually does hold pretty well. In fact, it gets very vivid. All right, let's give this one a go. And nope. No, I want to actually try something here. If I just square a piece like this. I'm gonna pop this in the oven next and see what happens. So, it actually worked. That's pretty cool, it turned white. Okay, so for our last and final test, I've taken a cup and put in relief cuts to make it as flat as I can possibly get it. Let's try this out. And it was a massive fail. That's the outcome. The verdict is, I would say this was a fail on the front that it was going to make stained glass. However, we basically just made shrinky dinks. A plastic cup of this size will shrink into something of this size that will not go completely flat. Anything that is curled even a little bit will be intensified quite a bit. Is it a fail? Not exactly. Is it a success? Not there yet. If we were to keep experimenting and figuring out how to actually get a flat one that are all kind of like this, well then I'd say it would be a success. But it's something for you guys to try at home. At least we know the technique works. And there you guys have it. That's what happens when you melt a plastic cup and color it with marker. So I pretty much said what I need to say about this craft. If you guys want to try it at home, at least we know the technique works and does what it's supposed to do. Shrink it down and make it into hard plastic. If you guys enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot more how-tos and DIYs coming up. Follow me on Twitter because I always post the links there first. It would be nice if you guys followed me on Instagram at Danocracy. Leave a cup emoji and I will creep some of your Instagrams. I'll send some likes and some random photos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.